So as I get closer to the cable, it's noisy. Not this cable. Of course, we got our assistant here. This is perfect for those that are working in IT, the industry, and they want to make sure you get the proper cords, or you want to check the speeds of it. This is a perfect way. So sometimes when we're rushing things, we make the Cat 5, Category 5, or Category 6 cables wrong. You want to find out what's the problem at. So this is it, the function that you're going to have to. This is the hardware that you're going to require for something like that. So let's go to open it up and see what you get. Just to let you guys know, the vendor was kind enough to send this out for us to review. So let's take a look at it. If you guys can see, it comes in a package, automatically comes in a little bag. Everything's ready for you that work in IT and want to carry this pouch. This is perfect. This is essential tools for those that work in the field out there. So if you guys can see, you get your package, your instructions, your batteries included. You don't have anything else to worry about. Just grab the function, the hardware, and take it to go on the field. And I'm going to demonstrate what I'm talking about on the functions. All right. You could tone the lines, or you could find out if you did a mistake on one of the crossover, or you're trying to create a crossover cable. This is a perfect way to do it. So if you want to make sure you get the highest rate of transfer rate and you have the right correct cables, or you might have something incorrect, because when we hire people to actually do wiring, or you do it yourself, you might make a mistake here and there. And then when you find out, it's just like it's a little late, and you want to make sure you capture that stuff. And this is a perfect way to do it. So we're going to put it to test and see how it works. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, let's take at the actual unit first of all. You have your power, your voltage, and then your units, and then scan, test, and slow, fast, and hertz. All right, so very simple. On the top of it, you have your RJ45 connection and then your RJ11. All right, now to install the batteries, you're gonna have to remove the screw. All right, and then you go hang this too on the wall if you ever need it or something like that. They have a little hanger here. So to remove it and install the battery, it takes 3 AA batteries, or just to be aware, right? It takes 3 AA batteries. We're going to go ahead and set that up. And then we're going to go to the actual toner. All right, so we're going to test out a cable, and I'm going to show you how to test the cable out, all right? So first of all, just connect it to RJ45 connection in here, all right? We're going to test out the quality of the actual cable, see if it's out, if it's working, or any lines are crossover or anything like that. So all you got to do is turn it on. You see the lights? And then what you want to do is you want to test it out. Where it says test, hit the test button, and it's going to start running it. If you guys can see it, everything's coming up like it's supposed to be, all right? So if you see anything incorrect, you'll see it here, and it'll tell you it's incorrect. So we're also going to test out a PoE, how much voltage we can get out of it. So we're going to plug this cable one end and plug it into the other side, and then we're going to do a test on a PoE. I have a PoE switch right underneath me, so we're going to go ahead and do that. All right, so we're going to turn on the lights, all right? And this is perfect for dark areas. All right, here we have a Netgear. It's a PoE Plus, all right? Just to let you guys know, it's a PoE Plus. We're gonna plug it in one of our slots from one end so we could test out how much voltage we can actually get. Right now, I think other ports are set up to certain voltage, so but you can always change it if you have a PoE Plus. You can, there are smart switches that you can mess around with it. If you buy a router too, you can do that too. But today we're going to test out this. All right, so we're going to go ahead and test our PoE. We're going to test out the voltage right now. So if you guys can see 9.5 on the voltage, all right? Very simple to test out. You just hit the voltage once and it tells you, see, 9.5, that's how much we set up. But if you have a PoE that's plus, you could program it yourself up to 65 or 60 voltage. Depends on the switch itself. Some of them, some units you cannot program. They're just as is, all right? Not bad. You could charge certain things. You could turn on cameras. You could turn on video conferencing and other equipment through the system. So very simple, easy to set up the voltage and test out. So we're also going to tone it out. So let's find a tone. All right, we're going to test it out. If you guys can see it, you could hear it. So as I get closer to the cable, it's noisy. Not this cable. Of course, we got our assistant here. So as further we get, this is the cable, the yellow one. If you guys can see it. This is not it. The yellow one's it.